I'll break your heart. Hook you like my voodoo doll, then I'll tear you apart.
Hey guys, it's your girl Steph back with another video. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and slide that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get started. So today I will be teaching those people who don't know how to do a cartwheel. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to be doing a cartwheel. So yes. Go ahead and turn on the lights just to make it, better. Okay. So the basics in cartwheels is that if you are like a beginner, you're gonna make sure to clear your whole surrounding. Make sure you have enough space. You will not hit anything or get hurt by anything. Now in this hallway, I have enough space to do a cartwheel in this hallway and in the main. So what I'm going to be doing first, I'm gonna have my body looking over here. So my body is gonna be looking over here. You're just gonna have your two legs so you're gonna have your left leg in front, not your right. Your left leg is gonna be in the front, pointing that way. And then your right is gonna be in the back, right behind your left, pointing this way too. Okay? So now we're gonna get into the move and the position. So now you're gonna try touching the ground like that. Just continue doing that over and over so you build up confidence to put your whole body up and turn it the other way. So you're gonna continue just doing that and then lift your leg. Your right leg, as you're doing that, you're gonna lift your right leg. So look this way and then lift your right leg. And now, once we do that, we're gonna push. It's like doing a handstand. A cartwheel and a handstand are kind of like the same things, you know? This is a handstand. And then a cartwheel is kind of the same thing, but we're just putting our whole body to do it. Like this. That's the difference between a cartwheel and a handstand. So, I don't know how to explain this, but basically, continue that, and then you're gonna pick up your right leg. Pick up your right leg too. So when we do that, we're gonna pick up our right leg like that. We're gonna continue doing that to build up confidence. Like that. Like a handstand. So in a cartwheel, you kind of do a handstand, like a 1 second handstand. Also, I recommend when you're doing a cartwheel, you can put your hair in a braid, a back braid, a bun at the top. I recommend to keep your hair out of your face. So basically, it's like a cartwheel is kind of like a 1 second handstand, but we're putting our whole body up. Like in a handstand, you need to know. In my gymnastics, I was taught how to do a handstand. I was told. I don't know if this works for other people, but I was told you need to learn how to do a handstand before learning a cartwheel. I'm not sure if that's true. So we're going to continue doing the same process. Let's continue. Look this way. Do your handstand. Do the sideways handstand. So I will be showing you 2 ways on how to do a cartwheel because there are multiple ways. I was taught 2 ways. You can be taught 1, 2, maybe 3. But I was taught 2. So now, once we do that handstand, we're going to put our body down. So you're not doing a full cartwheel yet, but you're just doing, oh my gosh, sorry y'all. You're doing this, and then you can just put your body down. Continue, remember, left leg in the front, right leg in the back, face right here, hands up. Remember, put your legs up, and then handstand, remember, and then go ahead and turn. That's the part of a cartwheel. That's half. But once we do that handstand, we're gonna turn, you know, like turn your legs down. Left leg in front, face it forward. Right leg in the back, face it forward. Hands up. And then you have, I'm not that good at explaining, so I'm just gonna try and do my best. So you have your leg and then kick it. You are in a handstand, so I'm gonna do a handstand and then kick it. You have to kick your legs up. Handstand. Oh my gosh. Handstand, kick. Handstand, kick. Handstand, kick. Handstand, kick. And basically, continue the handstand process until you're used to it and your confidence is like, okay, I can do this. So just continue the handstand process. I recommend just keep on doing the handstand, keep on doing it until you know and you believe you can do it. And now we're going to do the whole process. This way, handstand. So, yes. I'm just going to stretch out my arms. Stretch out. Sorry, my brother was in the background. You want to come in? I'm doing a video for my YouTube channel. Yes, hi, Camp. I'm in a tutorial. Okay? Just go sit over there, okay? I'm coming, okay? I should get a channel for my brother. Okay. I'm in the middle of something. Anyways, continue. This way, right and left leg forward, and handstand, kick. See? Part of a cartwheel. And then we point our legs. Kick. Build up that confidence. I'm going to show you guys from this way, if that's better for those to see. Like that. That's one cartwheel, and I will show you. That is the second way I was taught. I'll show you the first way. So the first way was that I was supposed to. So I'm looking this way. This is not where I'm going to do a cartwheel, obviously. But I'm looking this way. I twist my left leg and then put my hands up. Turn my leg this way. But looking this way. And then continue. That's another way I was taught. So yeah. Make sure you guys, if you guys have anything else you guys want me to do a tutorial on, make sure you go to my TikTok, which is down here. And go ahead and comment and tell me what would you like me to go ahead and show you guys a tutorial of. If my TikTok is not working or it's banned for some reason, go ahead and go to my Instagram, which is right here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and slam that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video.